today we will be taking a look at trying to repair these Ethernet to Powerline adapters. I got these a while ago at a yard sale, but they never seem to work for me. Now looking online, it seems a common problem with these is capacitors go bad in them. And so we'll be taking a look at that, seeing if we can get them working again. Alright, so now just to demonstrate, I'll plug both of these into the same power strip here. Turn it on, and ideally you would see power and link lights come on, but neither of them turn on there, so they are definitely not working. Alright, so let's get to opening these up. Okay, so first we'll need to remove the rubberized strip things on the side. Alright, so I don't know if this will come across on camera, but this capacitor right here is indeed bulging. Again, I don't know how well that will come across on camera, but both of these units here have the same capacitor that's bulging, and I'm hoping that replacing it will get these things functional again. Alright, switching cameras real quick. So this is the capacitor here. I have my multimeter, and we are going to test it and kind of see just how bad it was, if it was at all. Okay, and it's reading about 72 microfarad, and this is supposed to be 1,000. I pull out one of the replacements here. A little wider, same exact ratings though. Yeah, leads to that, and let's see what it gets. $950, which is a lot closer to what it should be. Alright, so let's get back to the rest of the video. So there's the new capacitor right there. Yeah, okay, so I got that on. So now we can give it a test. Hopefully we should get power lights out of this one, and if so, we'll move on to the other one. Alright, switching cameras once more just to get you a better view of the test. Okay, so power's turned off. Just, there we go, I'm going to plug this in. There we go. And hopefully we should get at least the power LED to come on. There we go. Alright, so that should be the power light. That's a good sign. I'm hopeful for this. We might just get this working after all. So let me cut this and we will go back to soldering the other one. Alright, so there's the second one done. I will verify that this one turns on as well, then I'll stick them back into their casing and we can give them a try. So now that the repair is done, we can give these a try and see if they actually work. Alright, sorry for the lack of proper screen capture, but hopefully this should do. So the Powerline adapters are currently hooked up to a power strip. And we should have internet through them now, so let's try going to google.com, and it loads. Alright, so let's see what type of speeds we get. They are supposed to be 85 megabit, but we will see about that. Not very impressive so far. Okay, so it looks like it's capable of about 8, maybe 9 megabits per second either way, but let's try another speed test just to be certain. Okay, so it looks like we got about the same. Upload's a bit slower here for some reason, not quite sure about that, but yeah, so it looks like about 8 megabits per second is what we're going to be able to get through this. Alright, so now it's time for the conclusion. You know, in conclusion, I would say that our repair was a success. These things are functioning, and even though they're not particularly fast, they still be useful. You wouldn't want to hook anything up that needs a lot of bandwidth. I was actually planning on using these with my Raspberry Pi. Just put it somewhere around the house because my original Pi doesn't have Wi-Fi, and these would be nice to use. So anyway, thanks for watching.